Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I got the oil pan off and every one of the rod bearings that I got right here out of it. I've never seen a motor. I've never seen, I do these all the time and I've never seen one spin every rod bearing. So yeah, that thing must have been completely empty on oil, which I only got like a half a quart out of it. Yeah, there's metal shavings of what's left of the rod bearings in there. But yeah, I just want to let you know that the rod bearings all spun on it, and no big deal. It needs a motor, and I got one right over here for it. Got a donor right there. She's gonna go in there. So I appreciate your deal that you gave me on it, and just want to let you know what actually happened with it. All right, thanks.